Hi there, Anthony here at GigaParts, here to tell you about all the amazing accessories we have here at GigaParts. Now I'm sure that you know that we have things such as headsets starting at $35.49. I'm sure you also know that we have amazing gaming mice starting at $53.49. You probably already know about our keyboards, super epic gaming keyboards starting at $119.99. We also have these amazing little keyboard testers so that you can get all of your ASMR loveliness. We also have some really cool retro keyboards, and these are super satisfying. If you really like a clicky keyboard, these are amazing. I'll bet you didn't know that we have amazing geeky accessories too. Things like Iron Man statues. Let's say we're talking about Deadpool. Let's say we're talking about the Death Star, and many other things. These are epic little Metal Earth figurines you build yourself. Everything comes as a flat sheet of metal, and then you bend it and contort it to make the creation of your choice. As you can tell right over here and over here, we have tons of these things for every fandom, every hobby, every interest. We have you covered. So the next time you think you know what GigaParts carries, come on down, we'll probably surprise you. GigaParts is located at 1426B Paramount Drive, just past Providence on 72, headed west.